Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see this one, that x square, this is varies directly as y cube, and when x is 6, y is 3. So we have to deduce the relation between x and y. So we have to find out the relation between x and y. So now let us see first, whenever that it says varies directly means what we have to do. That is, we have to write x square. This says that this is varies directly and this will be y cube. When it is says inversely means you have to write here, it will be like this 1 by y cube. So this is the inverse, but here this is directly. So you have to write this is for direct one. So now what will you do? We have to remove this sign. So what will you do? We will write here x square is k y cube. So this for, we can say, for some constant k. So now what did I say here? X is 6 and y is 3. So what will you do when x is 6 and y is 3? We have, so in place of this x we are going to write here. So this in this equation. So what are we going to write here? We'll write here 6 square is k into, that is for this one, that is going to be y value is 3, so 3 cube. So this is going to be 36, is going to be, whenever there is 3 cube means you multiply this 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3. So this is going to be 27. So you will write here, that will be 27k. So now what will be the value of k? 36 by 27 is k. So now let us simplify this one. So these both go with 9. So we will write here 9 threes are and 9 fours are. So therefore we can say, therefore k is 4 by 3. So now what we will do here, this 4 by 3, we are going to plug it in this. So now what will you write here? X square is, let us write the equation same over here. So now this will be x square means, that will be, this will be 4 by 3 and this will be k cube. This will be y cube. So now what will you do here? So this you can just simplify this one by just taking the this on this side. So you will write here 3x square is 4y cube. So now they ask what is the relation between x and y. So this is the answer for that. We cannot do anything further for this one. So we got the relation between x and y now. So 3x square is 4y cube. So by this one we have completed today's work. To like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other part. Thank you.